How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change your infill in the Anycubic Slicer. So just head over to your base plate right here, and basically you want to navigate through the support or through the strand category. It's going to be on the side or on the edge of your screen. In here, click Strength, scroll down, and basically we have the infill category. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have your infill density. So normally this would be at 15% or maybe something like 20. And then to change your infill on Anycubic Slicer, you then want to click on the infill pattern, and basically from here you can change your infill. So for example, in most cases, I want to apply something like the honeycomb infill. And basically from there, you're good to go. You can edit out some additional options, but that's all you have to do to change your infill. If we click on Slice Plate, and if you navigate through your layers, basically the infill will then apply. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.